Good afternoon, everybody. Porch Light here. Now, this guy right here is called a bold jumping spider. And they say it's venomous and to stay away from it. So with that being said, take a look at the yard, y'all. We are coming together here. We are getting it together. I finally got some stuff planted in my compost bed, sorta, kinda. And as you see, we got plants up in there. So that is a way to get your free dirt, get you a cute little bud, have a pool everywhere, and there you go. And oh, I gotta get that. Now this is gonna be interesting to see what happens here. Let's talk about that for 2 seconds. So the way this works is I'm really doing some experimentation with trees now, y'all. So I got this branch from an undisclosed location, and if anybody's seen my videos from the past, y'all know what the undisclosed location is. And I've just been clearing off some bark until I see the cambium layer, sticking it in the ground and seeing what happens. And I'm getting a lot of luck here, y'all. It really looks like this guy's surviving. Let me do the yank. Nothing, y'all. It's staying. So this basically leads me to believe that we all been wasting a bunch of money. Now, I did the same thing with this goji berry branch, and it's actually growing leaves here. So if ain't nobody tell you, and you don't have a lot of money to be spending on trees, y'all, just experiment. Just stick stuff in the ground, see what happens. I think what I've been doing to throw my stuff off in probably years past is I wouldn't get that cambium layer showing before I stick it in the ground. I just call myself sticking in the ground and seeing what happens, and that isn't really fruitful. Anyway, so yeah, if you look here, you got all kind of stuff just coming up here. These actually grew branches since it's been in here, so that worked like a charm. And you see what these guys are doing. So there's not really a title to this video, y'all. Just we are getting close to the season. It's getting to the most wonderful time of the year, springtime, depending upon who you are and what you grow. But here we are. Oh, don't worry about the camera angle, y'all. I'm just trying this out. It's a little easier to hold the camera. Look at that, 17. So I'm gonna let this greenhouse cool down and porch light out.